morning, guys. It is day 2 of our vacation trip. We are in St. George, and I am gonna go golfing with Papa and Grandpa while these kids are gonna go have fun themselves. So it's gonna be an awesome day. You guys excited?
Yeah.
You having fun so far?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm the same clothes again.
No, you're not.
Hey, you have to stay there with your cards.
Car.
Matching cards. You're gonna put them down. Okay, like that. So this is mine. Oh, see your matches? Look for your cards.
I got 2 keys.
Okay, so.
Hi.
Alright, my bad. Look the same.
Good morning, everyone. We are finally ready for the date. They are playing Old Maid with Ob. Mom is chilling. And my grandma, this is my grandma Bonnie, guys. She is loving on Coey. And she was just saying how funny how much darker her skin is than Cohen.
Wow.
Yeah, they got their mommy's skin and we got my dad's skin.
Wow.
Did Daddy come back?
Made it home.
Alright, that's a good one. There you go.
Alright, Cody made it back from golfing, as we already said.
So fun.
But
I suck.
you did not suck, I bet. Guys, just look at this. I freaking love the scenery down here in southern Utah. It's beautiful, huh? But you guys, we are all loaded up in the car. We got our 4 younger kiddos in here. Coda's actually in the car with my parents and grandparents, and we are headed to Gunlock Falls. It's just this super awesome natural waterfalls that we actually get to like cliff jump and swim in. So that's where we're headed right now. I'm really, really excited about it. It's still a tiny bit, it's not cold, but it's not like hot. So I don't know how soaked I'm gonna let the kids get, but you excited?
I'm super excited.
Yeah?
I'm like super hot from standing out in the sun all morning, but this will be fun.
It'll be super fun.
Carson. Whoa! Holy cow! Whoa! That is awesome. You gotta be careful here, huh? It's probably so loud. Yeah, let's not go out that far, okay, guys? There's a huge old drop. Woo! That's cool. Is that far down there, guys?
Yeah.
Stay kind of back a ways, okay? I was gonna throw a rock.
Whoa, it exploded.
Cool. Okay, Cars, wait. Whoa. Now this is creepy. Here, let's stay back there, okay, guys? Whoa. Let's see it. Woo! This is so fun, guys! So fun. I love jumping on rocks and going crazy. These guys do too. Whoa! This fun, Cars? Woo! Dude, you guys.
Yeah, that's what I was looking
Lizard.
for. Me, Nana, and everybody were looking for a lizard because we said we want a little pet.
Cool.
We don't have a pet.
Caught a lizard on the way out. It's been a great day.
And I was chasing one.
Mom had to go back in the car because we went the wrong way and went back up. And anyways, we're going back to the car to meet Mom and Cohen and Kinley. But this has been awesome. Super fun.
I want to see it.
Cool.
Jumps on me.
Alright, you guys, that was so much fun, so beautiful. There was so many people there.
So busy, but it was still super fun. Like,
It was awesome.
One of my top things to do is just climb around rocks and have fun. Nonetheless, a bunch of rocks that have a waterfall going down it.
Yeah.
It was beautiful and awesome.
It was awesome. So epic, so fun. But now we're just taking a little scenic drive home, and we're gonna go to one of our favorite restaurants for dinner. I'm super excited because it's delicious and I'm starving. I'm sitting here chowing on this trail mix right now. Sis, did you have fun? Yeah, I love you.
What up?
Yummy, guys. Yeah. Jed's is so flippin' hot. I ate one of his noodles and my mouth is on fire. But you guys, we're at Who Hot. It's one of my favorite restaurants. We usually go to the one in Salt Lake though. It's super cool, Mongolian grill. It's like you make it yourself, create it yourself.
All right, so the process here. You get a plate. This is all like uncooked meats and noodles and stuff. So you just pick your toppings, your ingredients, and then they cook it right over there. Then you pick your sauces over here. How is it? Good. And they got ice cream? Nice. Oh, I am so full. But we made it back to our hotel room. I am tired. It's been a long day of fun and awesome stuff.
We're not done.
Not done yet. What do you guys want to do?
Swimming!
We're going swimming. We are ready to go swimming.
Ready.
Ow! Kenny, you want to go swimming?
Yeah!
They're fast walk. What are you doing?
Jellyfish!
Jellyfish. This pool is so cold, like the coldest pool I've ever swam in. And the hot tub's like really hot, so it's quite the difference going back and forth. Jenny, you having fun? Swimming. How's your ice cream sandwich, guys?
Good!
Good? Good. Yes, we're eating more ice cream. Because we're on vacation. Good.
You guys, it was a great day today, but we are exhausted. So we're just taking it easy, getting ready for bed.
It has been a great day.
Yes,
So
it
much
has.
fun golfing. It was like my first day ever fully golfing. I'm pooped.
Well, awesome. It was a great day, guys. The kids are having fun. But thank you so much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye.
Yeah.
Hey, I need Timmy in here to chat, please.
You are so good. Hi, Dad. Nope. That's way too far.
I get demonetized.
Whatever.
You were top
I know, you pulled my finger.